Stomach turning is an idiomatic expression used to describe a feeling of intense disgust, revulsion, or nausea. The phrase conveys the notion that a particular sight, sound, smell, or idea is so repulsive that it causes a physical reaction in the stomach, leading to discomfort or queasiness. The origins of the expression can be traced back to the physical connection between the brain and the gastrointestinal system. When experiencing strong emotions, particularly those related to disgust or fear, the brain sends signals to the gut, leading to sensations such as butterflies or a sinking feeling. In the case of stomach turning, the negative emotions trigger a more pronounced reaction in the stomach, resulting in the sensation of churning or nausea. The phrase is commonly used in situations where individuals encounter something highly distasteful or disturbing. It can apply to a wide range of experiences, including witnessing gruesome scenes, hearing disturbing news, or being exposed to offensive behavior or ideas. For example, seeing graphic images of violence or cruelty can be stomach-turning for many people, eliciting a strong aversion and a physical reaction. Similarly, learning about heinous crimes or acts of injustice can evoke a sense of deep revulsion and discomfort. The feeling of stomach turning can also be evoked by certain tastes or smells that are highly unpleasant or repugnant. Consuming spoiled food or encountering foul odors can trigger a visceral response, leading to nausea or even vomiting. In addition to physical stimuli, the phrase can also describe emotional or psychological experiences that evoke a profound sense of disgust. Discovering betrayal or deceit by a close friend or loved one can be stomach-turning, causing emotional distress and a sense of disillusionment. In media and storytelling, stomach-turning elements are often utilized to evoke strong emotional responses from audiences. Horror films, thrillers, or crime dramas may include scenes or themes that are deliberately designed to be stomach-turning, heightening the emotional impact and suspense. While the phrase stomach-turning primarily denotes negative emotions, it also highlights the importance of recognizing and respecting individual sensitivities and boundaries. What may be stomach-turning for one person may not evoke the same reaction in another. As such, it is essential to exercise empathy and consideration when discussing or sharing potentially distressing content with others. In conclusion, stomach turning is an idiomatic expression used to describe a feeling of intense disgust, revulsion, or nausea. It is often triggered by encountering highly distasteful, offensive, or disturbing stimuli, both physical and emotional. The phrase underscores the strong connection between the brain and the gastrointestinal system, where negative emotions can cause physical discomfort in the stomach. Understanding and acknowledging individual sensitivities can help foster empathy and consideration when discussing or sharing potentially distressing content with others.